take you through what we're gonna try to renovate for this first phase. We're gonna do multiple different phases. So in here, we're just gonna try and make the kitchen function with all of the items that we have. Obviously, we're gonna get rid of the fridge, getting a new fridge and a stove, but try to utilize as many items as we can. We're going to rip up the floor. We're hoping that we can find wood floor. So far, we've found like 3 different layers and no wood yet, but every other part of the house has wood floors. So it seems like we will find wood floors. And then in here is going to be a pantry eventually, but we don't need this to function right now. So we'll probably leave it as is. We'll put some laundry in there because we'll need laundry, and then we will put a door up, and we will work on fixing this part of the house later because it'll probably take a lot more work because it's pretty bad. So that's that. Into the living room, we're gonna rip up the carpets and the wallpaper, replace the fixture, and then we're gonna put in a wood burning stove here, something smaller than what they had previously, just because it is next to the stairs and we want to make sure that we have enough clearance when people are coming down or coming around here, so it'll be smaller. So that's what we're gonna do here. And then our idea for the bathroom is we would be moving the door here to over here, just so you're not running directly into the toilet, and then reconfiguring the bathroom. So we'll have the vanity over here, and then right here is the shower. So we'll remove all of that, and then the shower will go along this back wall. So that's what we're looking to do for the bathroom. And then for this little side room, it will eventually be an office. And I think right now, to just get it up and running, we're going to just sand paint the floors, because all the floors seem to be in really, really good shape. Remove the wallpaper and paint, and then remove all of this like excess wood. So it's just a blank room and it's ready to be functional. Eventually we will get a new door, but we'll just keep this for now because it works. The sunroom, we are not doing anything with right now because there is asbestos and everything out there, and we just don't need it to be functional for the house to work right now. So that will be probably on the second phase. And then I will take you guys upstairs. You can see we've already removed a lot of the carpet. All the wood floors are in great condition. So again, just doing a light sand and paint, and then painting the walls and the baseboards and all of that. Same with the hallway, same with the bedroom. Rory's working in here right now to try and remove the walls. And the same back here with these 2 rooms. This one's in pretty bad shape, but it looks like it will end up being very similar to the room next door. And then the room that we are sleeping in is in pretty good condition. And looks just like this one in here. So we've already made pretty good progress on the rooms and should be able to hopefully start sanding and painting soon. But yeah, that's pretty much all of the stuff that we're going to be doing for this first phase. Alright, I'm in one of the other bedrooms. This one, actually I think this is the only one that has wallpaper. Beautiful wallpaper. And the carpet will come off after we do all wallpaper. I figured we would start with the wallpaper, and then since it has like all the glue and gunk and everything on it, then we would just put that on the carpet, cut the carpet, and roll it up and take that out to help on a little bit of cleanup. So yeah, right now I'm going to get started and start taking down all the wallpaper. Midday progress check-in. This is the 3rd room we've worked on, and it is coming along. It has really been a bitch to get all of this plaster down and to get this, well, we have the only little piece of this so far, this like wood down. Ugh, so hard to get off. So that's where we are with this room. And right now we're just ran to the dump. I'm going to start cutting the carpet so that we can start rolling it up to check out the hardwood floors underneath. Again, we just have this little bit left and then this little wall. Okay guys, new day. This is day 4 and I'm going to take down all of this wallpaper in the living room. So wish me luck. Day 4, I'm going to give you guys a tour of everything that we have done so far before we get started on the other set of projects that we have coming. We have left off in the living room. We've gotten about half of the wallpaper down and obviously the carpets up, staples and everything out. Nothing in the bathroom, nothing in this side room yet, and nothing on the sunroom. And then we got the carpet stairs up, all the staples and wood pieces and everything. And then in this room we got all of the floors done, well, the carpets up and everything off that, and then all of the wallpaper and wood paneling also off the walls. And then we also decided that I think we're going to take off the lath board just so that we can apply the drywall directly to the studs. And then we'll know where the studs are, just because the lath board was what they originally used back in the day instead of drywall. But since we're already putting drywall up, I don't think that we need this. So we did a little bit of extra work by taking the plaster off first, but that's okay. So yeah, we'll probably be taking that down and that'll be the next step here. The hallway, obviously we got all the carpets up here and in this bedroom. And then back here, this is where we're staying, and we got all the carpets up in here. We have to do the wood side and nails as well, and in the closet. So we have to do that, and then we haven't even started this room yet. We will do it at some point just because it is a disaster. So we're just gonna start with the first 3 rooms first. But yeah, so that is where we are at the end of day 4.